Hello guys, in this video we are trying to help you find out the best carry-on luggage on the market. If you want to see their latest prices and more images and find more details, you can check out those links in the description below. Number 1. Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner. An instant favorite with our testing team, the Samsonite Freeform Carry-On is made of injection molded polypropylene for a hard side case that's exceptionally lightweight, durable, and impact resistant. It stood up well to our baseball bat test with barely any scuffs, so much so that we feel confident if we had to check it. We loved its minimal, ultra-modern aesthetic and found that it had sufficient space for everything on our packing list, even without employing the expansion feature. Potential purchasers should be aware that although the expansion feature is a definite bonus, overstuffing the suitcase could make it exceed some airline carry-on restrictions. We felt the interior organization options were good, with a cross ribbon, divider, and several pockets. The only downside was that there was only one zippered pocket, meaning you'd have to choose whether to separate shoes or dirty laundry. Number 2. Trevopro Platinum Elite Carry-On Expandable Hard Side Spinner. The Trevopro Platinum Elite Hard Side Carry-On is a relatively expensive option. However, a 100% polycarbonate shell with reinforced aluminum corner guards makes it impressively durable and therefore worth the investment. Even after multiple drop tests and bat beatings, we could see no visible signs of damage. The textured finish should help reduce the visibility of scuffs or scratches, keeping your luggage looking brand new for longer. Exterior highlights include an integrated TSA lock and USB-A and USB-C charge ports. This suitcase benefits from Trevopro's famous Precision Glide system, with 8 self-aligning spinner wheels and a PowerScope light handle with 4 height settings. We found it incredibly smooth and easy to navigate and particularly liked the handle's sturdy feel and textured grip. When it came to packing, we had to use the expansion feature to fit everything in, which made it a tight squeeze getting the bag into an overhead compartment. However, we like the zippered divider panel and water-resistant toiletries section. Number 3. Amazon Basics 20-inch Hard Side Spinner. The Amazon Basics 21-inch spinner retails for well under $100, making it the most affordable option on this list. Despite its modest price tag, it surpassed our expectations on every test, making it an exceptional value for the money. It features a thick ABS plastic shell with a scratch-resistant textured finish. We love the simple sleekness of its design and the 4 bold colors to choose from, including black, navy blue, light blue, and orange. 4 double spinner wheels provide. Number 4. Samsonite Omni PC Hard Side Expandable Carry-On. The Samsonite Omni PC Carry-On may retail for roughly double the price of our budget big, but it's still considerably cheaper than many of the suitcases on this list and combines durability, capacity, and lightness to provide impressive value for the money. It features a 100% polycarbonate shell with micro diamond texturing for extreme scratch resistance. Even after our rigorous testing, it showed no visible scratches and is protected by Samsonite's generous 10-year global warranty, a benefit to be expected from one of the best luggage brands. We found we could fit everything in without using the suitcase's expansion feature. However, it was still a tight fit in the overhead compartment, so it's a good idea to check the exact requirements of your favorite airline before purchasing. We like the interior organization features, namely a zipper divider and compression straps. Number 5. Trevopro Platinum Elite 21-inch Expandable Carry-On Spinner Suiter. If you're looking for a soft side carry-on, the Trevopro Platinum Elite is an excellent pick, featuring high-density nylon with a DuraGuard coating that resists stains and abrasions. This showed up during our durability tests, and the suitcase survived completely unscathed. With its genuine leather accents and chrome zippers, we feel this is a quality investment likely to endure long enough to justify its high price tag. As a bonus, it includes a built-in USB charge port with an external power bank pocket that adheres to FAA regulations. We did have to use the tip-resistant expansion feature to make space for everything on our packing list, which made the bag significantly larger. However, we really appreciated the thoughtful interior organization features, including 2 separate compartments, a deluxe tie-down system, and integrated accessory pockets. There's even a removable, quart-sized wet bag for your toiletries and a fold-out soother. Number 6. Swiss Gear Cyan Soft Side Expandable 21-inch. Although slightly sportier and more casual in appearance than other favorites in our test suite, the well-priced Swiss Gear Cyan Soft Side Expandable 21-inch earned recognition for both performance and value due to its impressive capacity, comfortable ride, and an array of extra organizational amenities. One of the first things we noticed was just how easy it was to pack, zip, and roll, whether we were hauling a week-long summer adventure wardrobe or a climbing trip's worth of bulky gear. A laundry list of useful interior pockets and features, including a removable toiletry pouch, adjustable compression straps, and a bag-length expansion zipper, ensure there's plenty of space and tools to work with inside. Meanwhile, 2 sizable front pockets add further capacity and flexibility to the exterior. Finally, several well-padded carry grips, a solid telescoping handle, and a set of surprisingly efficient 360-degree single-wheel spinners combine to support easy maneuverability between streets and stairwells, even when fully packed. Number 7. Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Spinner. For those with a budget for premium products, look no further than the Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Spinner. It checks all the right boxes across all metrics and remains one of our favorite pieces in this suite. We love its flexibility and organizational features, particularly the multiple exterior pockets, built-in suitor, outsider roller handle, and clever 2-inch STX expansion system. We appreciate that even when stuffed full, this carry-on still rolls effortlessly alongside us from hotel to airport and packs easily into trunks and overhead compartments en route. The case's ballistic nylon exterior with reinforced edging and robust Easy Glide zippers deliver a durable, protective shell to keep all items safe within, while large shock-absorbing 360-degree spinner wheels and a multi-level telescoping handle provide quiet, effortless navigation and fluid mobility over most surfaces.